create AI avatar in TikTok. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create AI avatar in TikTok app. Free AI avatar creation in your TikTok app. Creating an AI avatar in your TikTok app involves using TikTok built-in feature or integrating with third-party services for AI-generated avatar. So TikTok has integrated AI tools and filter that allows users to create customized avatar. So here's a guide to help you create a free AI avatar on TikTok. So creating an AI avatar on TikTok. First of all, you have to open and launch the TikTok app on your mobile device here. And you have to log into your account. And after that, you have to go for the plus icon. At the bottom, center, open the camera for creating a new video there. So on the camera screen, you have to tap on the effect, which is usually found on the left side or the bottom of the screen. You have to browse to the effect available and you have to search for the keywords like AI avatar here. And here you have to search for the AI avatar or AI effect here. So here you can see that there are many AI avatar. You have to go for that. So once you are here, you have to select that and apply an AI avatar effect, and you have to look for the effect that generate or stimulate AI avatar. And you have to tap on the desired effect to apply it, and you have to follow the on-screen instruction to customize your avatar. And with the AI avatar, you can record your videos and upload your videos. After recording, you can add additional edit music and caption. So once you are satisfied with your video, you have to tap on the next and write a caption, then post it to your TikTok profile. By using this step, you can create and share the unique AI avatar on your TikTok. So this is the process how you can create AI avatar in your TikTok app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.